This is our 550 West air compressor with 9 liters stainless steel tank. Powerful 550W motor ensures quick compression and high efficiency. The airflow rate is 40 L per minute at 7 bar. 9L stainless steel tank, durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. It has a complete system equipped with pressure switches, one-way valves, solenoid valves, pressure gauges, drain valves, high-pressure pipes, safety valves, wall valves, and other accessories. We also have large diameter vibration damping rubber feet at the bottom. Compact and portable, perfect for home or professional use. Quiet operation, only 65 decibels, a low noise level for a more comfortable working environment. Versatile applications, ideal for flatbed applicators, humidity generators, spray paintings, and more.